Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, we are doing a wig look, you guys, for this Thanksgiving. So let's get started. Now before that, I did mention that I had two products, guys, that I've been waiting for them to arrive. The rest of it we're gonna do voiceover like always, like we do it, but we wanna go ahead and talk to you guys for a little bit. So let me show you the two products, you guys, that I've been wanting to show you. Okay, so let's see first. All right, you guys, and here is the revealing products. Hey, look at this, you guys. This is super cute. Now this is a beauty blender, you guys, that it was off on sale for Black Friday. I don't know if they will have it again, but Mr. Pickle, I've been wanting to get it for so long, you guys. This is a setting spray, okay? There was a beauty blender. So let me show you the products. They're super amazing. I'm gonna have to go wet my beauty blender so you guys can see how much big it is. But here they are. Oh my God, look at this. Super cute, you guys. And let's test Mr. Oh, it smells like cucumbers. Oh my gosh, it's super excited. So let's wet this beauty blender and let's see how big it gets. I already have my other ones already ready in case if this one is not big enough. So I will go ahead and put my clean ones right here and go ahead and wet this one to see how big it gets. Okay, so I'll be right back, guys. So there it is. It's actually got a little bit slightly bigger, which is really good, so that way it could be able to, you know, get the whole thing. So if you guys haven't shopped at Shein, please go and purchase this beautiful ones. This one was almost out of stock, and it has the marble in there. So this is super cute, you guys. Amazing beauty blender. Look what it has on the back. Rick and Morty fan. I am definitely a Rick and Morty fan, you guys. So now let's get started with this tutorial, you guys. Okay, the rest of it will be talked through. Now the other products that I did, I'm actually gonna upload the products that I actually gonna upload on TikTok. It is this too, you guys, as well. You guys will see the video on this ones. I'm gonna try to pronounce this burrito, you guys, but I don't know that's how you say it. So just go for this one, you guys. This one, it is a serum and it's unscented. Now this is gonna actually help you with all the redness. I've been using it for quite some time already. I already washed it off and I put it on. I'm gonna put it on once I take off my makeup. But I love the hydration that it gives me. This two combined. At first I tried this one. This is a cream. It was really amazing. But then they sent me the other one, which is this one right here. This is a serum, and both of them combined, oh my gosh, on oily skin. I have super oily skin, so it works amazing because for some reason in the winter it gets my skin a little bit dry than usual. But with those ones, they actually restores the hydration on your skin. So if you guys want to shop down below just to try it, you guys, okay, you guys could definitely try it. You guys are gonna see it is awesome products, you guys. Okay, so that is it, and let's jump on. Let's do the talk over, and now let's get to the Thanksgiving. All right, you guys, so I am starting with my e.l.f. hydrating concealer because it is a winter and I do need my eyes hydrating as much possible. So once I start with my brush, you guys, stroke it. Now I always go with a beauty blender to definitely erase all the strokes and make it more firm so it could be standing. Okay, you guys, so for jumping onto my palette, I'm gonna get an old palette that I have had for so long. We're gonna go and jump into the Morphe Jaclyn Hill First palette. I do have both of the palettes, but I'm just gonna be using this one for right now, you guys. Beautiful shades for Thanksgiving, okay? Now let me show you the second one. You guys could see this one. I have had it for a long time. This is the first palette, and this is the second palette, you guys, okay? So you guys can see all the beautiful shades. I think I'm gonna actually jump on with this one for today because I do see some browns and some maroons and the colors that I need. So I'm gonna jump on, but this is how this beautiful palettes look in my collection. Good thing I bought them. So let's jump on with the first one. I'm gonna actually keep the second one out just in case if I use it. But for the first palette, I'm gonna go ahead, and you guys already know that I always like to go on under my brow with the lighter shade, so it'll be this one. All right, you guys, and as always, as you have seen, I always like to use a white or a shimmer white under my brow, you guys, so it can look beautiful. We're jumping on with this brown, you guys, because this is gonna be my transition, and we're gonna be switching to another darker color, you guys. And this one we're gonna give it like a halo eye. My voice is getting better. In case if you guys are asking or wondering, yes, my voice is getting better. I'm getting better, you guys, finally. So I could be full on transformed with the makeup for you guys. Okay, so in here, like I said, I am using my glitter primer. This one actually works really good. It works for glitters, for loose glitters, or it also works for shimmers. As you can see, it holds it down amazing. It doesn't break, it doesn't go nowhere. It holds it really good. Next up, I'm gonna be using this Dramatic Lashes with a spot of reddish, because this wig does have a little bit of reddish on the bottom, and it's perfect for fall, you guys. And I am gonna be mixing my foundation and my color corrector. The foundation is from Sheglam, from Shane, and it's amazing, you guys, for oily skin, and it's amazing. Now let me talk about this beauty blender, you guys. Oh my gosh, when I saw it on as a Black Friday sale on Shane, I said, you know what, let me get it because it looks amazing. And you can see I wet it and it came out super bigger, which is amazing. It gets more on my face. I'm able to finish faster. So I love this beauty blender. So if you guys haven't gotten it, go and shop to that beauty blender so you guys could get it. Okay, so next up is my face powder from Rimmel. Before that, I went and put on my concealer because I forgot under my eyes. And then once we're blending with this beautiful beauty blender, now I'm gonna go on with my face powder from Rimmel. This is oil free. Since I have oil free, it works for me amazing and perfect. Now next up, I am gonna be using my doing my contour from CoverGirl, my blush and my contour, you guys. This is amazing products. I have always been holding on to these ones, and it's actually pretty good on price. Now next thing, let me show you guys one more time. Let me show you this shimmer. Let me show you this highlight. It shows amazing. I was so in shock. I was like, oh my god, every time I use it, I am in love with this highlighter. Now with Mr. Pickle. Hey, Mr. Pickle. Now it does smell, has a scent of cucumber, which is really good, you guys. It smells amazing. And check out this highlight. Oh my god, you guys, check it out. Now for next up, lastly, we're gonna do a lip liner, and I am using a brown shades because it is fall season. And I am gonna be using from Wet n Wild. I got the lipstick, this one right here, a long time ago, so it was actually perfect for this video. Okay, now for lastly, I am putting this blackish one, and then topping it off with this brown under my waterline, so that way it can stand out. So that is it, you guys. Thank you so much. All right, you guys, and that is it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you stood all the way through, you guys, I decided to put on this wig because it's beautiful. It matches the weather, you guys, the autumn weather. You can see my background. So if you stood all the way through, thank you so much for watching the entire video. And as you can see, I'm getting closer to close this series, guys, November series, so we can start the beautiful December season, the Christmas holidays and all of that, you guys. Finally, the winter is here. I'll be able to actually bring out more tutorials with more different wigs, different colors and all of that. You'll see what I'm talking about, you guys. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. I see you still all the way through. And like always, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Share this look as much as possible, you guys, and I will be bringing you more tutorials. That is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Love you, and see you guys to the next one. Bye.